Hello everyone, a quick update for FET here on the 4-hour, 1 hour and 15-minute time frame. We're going to start with the 4-hour chart after our correction here. The wave X or wave B finished in a triangle, A, B, C, D, and a E. Now, what is important to analyze is this part, starting from this wave E there. And in this part here, we need to figure it out exactly what is going on. Did we finish a corrective wave? Did we bottomed here? Or is it a truncation over there? Now, very likely that this is a truncation, guys, because if this is a holding impulse toward the upside, it is very likely that this can survive a wave 5 and can make a transition for the market direction toward the upside. Especially that this is a finished 3 waves. Therefore, I'm very convinced that this is kind of like a part of this correction here, which is a truncation. And I think that here we are in a W, an X, and a wave Y finished in a truncation. And we're looking at a 1, 2, 3, and a wave 4 here, and wave 5 might be unfolding toward the upside. Now, the resilience of the price and the strengths that we are looking at here is incredible for FET. Especially that this long sideways range here, but very deep at the same time as an ABC expanding flat. It is unfolding here as a potential also running triangle, meaning A, B, C, D, and a E. As alternation, it doesn't want to push lower because this is already deep for a 1, 2. And therefore, it is very likely that this triangle as a running triangle here is unfolding. And I would say we are almost at the end of it. And that means, yes, very likely that we start to see something unfolding toward the upside here. Explosion for wave 5, especially after very long sideways range here. We might see a massive wave 5. Can it be extended? Well, yes, can be, guys. It has a high chance that we might get an extended wave 5. Meaning, if the wave 5 will unfold next, we are looking at least here for a wave 5 over 1, we're looking at least towards the 1-to-1 $0.32. Yeah, so that is very, very interesting target in case this happens. So by all means, right now we are looking at A, B, C, D, and a E so far, and we start to see here some also kind of like a 5 ways up motive wave. So the price here is starting to tell us, okay, things are starting to shift for higher. Yeah, especially you got here also 5 waves. It can be 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 again, and pushing really massively. Or it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 here, and then wave 2, and then pushing massively toward the upside again. Unless that this triangle is going to take more time here, and that means it can be like an A, B, and this can be your wave C, all of it, meaning one more low, wave C here, and then wave D and a wave E, which it can be probable, yeah, taking the time here required for this bear market, minimum requirement time, as you know, on the daily. It can be. Can this whole wave turn into C and then D and a E, and then pushing exactly from there toward the upside on the exact time. Another probability, which is far right now, honestly, based on the micro level, is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a potential ending diagonal as well as an ABC. And I doubt this because as alternation, this doesn't work. You have already an expanding flat, so you cannot really, normally it doesn't work in another expanding flat. Yeah, so very likely that we are in a triangle, running triangle, and this might take more time, yes, but I believe that sooner or later then we're pushing towards this area for FET. Yep, so that was it for FET. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.